Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today for the fifth consecutive day, Nifty has closed in green. Nifty has made a positive movement of close to 168 points, which is also 0.75%. Now such a good positive move in Nifty has come just before US announced their Q1 GDP data. Q1 GDP data of US is very important for the country to decide their monetary policy. Interest rate cut, will we get that or not? It is based on GDP data. Now, before that data itself, Nifty has made a momentum like this. Now, what can be the reason? That too when India VIX is somewhere around 10. Now, if you've been following our channel regularly, I kept on informing you that FII has been continuously selling in the market. I shared this data with you, which clearly showed FII has been continuously selling in the market. Now, throughout the month, there were sellers. I personally believe today's movement in Nifty was just a short covering rally where FII tries to close their position. Still, we have not got the FII data. I personally believe this is a short covering rally from FII for them to close the position because today is Nifty monthly expiry day. Now, one more update. If you remember in yesterday analysis video, I had discussed that a lot of call option writers are near 22,500 level and put option writers are very close to 22,300 level. In case market breaks this level, retest gives a breakout, then all of those people who considered 22,500 as a resistance and sold call option, they would be in trouble. Market can move towards the upside. If market breaks 22,300 level, we can expect a momentum towards the downside to trap put option writers. Now let me quickly open Nifty chart. In our yesterday analysis video, while speaking about Nifty, I said we will draw a trend line like this. If Nifty breaks this level, retest, then gives a breakout, we'll be looking for a call option trade where Nifty can move towards the upside to trap call option writers at 22,500 and next target can be 22,550. In case Nifty opens with a gap down, we will wait for market to break 22,300 level, retest. Again, if it breaks this area, then with small stop loss, we will plan for a put option trade where we can expect a momentum towards the downside. But what happened today? Nifty directly opened near 22,300 level. Now traders, always I keep telling you, if market opens with a gap down, always we have to wait for a retest. Again, if market breaks the low, that is when with small stop loss, we can plan for a put option. The same thing applies even for call option trade. Today at this level, did Nifty move towards the upside and give a breakdown for us to plan for a put? No, right? There was no put option trading opportunity for us in the morning. One more reason I did not plan for a put option trade is because Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry continuously it was moving towards the downside. Today it has opened near the support. If Reliance starts moving towards the upside, this will support Nifty's movement, right? That is one of the reasons why I did not plan for any put option trade. Now, the first thing that we did as soon as our market opened today is somewhere around 917. I discussed about important resistance and support level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I also informed that as of now, still I'm not able to judge the direction of the market. Now, just because Nifty is moving towards the upside, we cannot plan for a trade. We need a proper setup. Now, in my next update, what I said, there is a chance that Nifty can retrace a bit near this resistance level, so please be careful. But if you see, Nifty directly broke this level. So here also there was no opportunity for us. Now somewhere around 10:24, I shared this screenshot of Bank Nifty saying that Bank Nifty has given a breakout and this screenshot of Nifty, and I said Nifty has come to the resistance. This is when my view about the market turned bearish. Here also I have clearly mentioned, traders, this is the only setup visible right now. Bank Nifty breakout, Nifty coming to resistance. If this happens many times, market trend can reverse. Many times I've noticed that. One more logic that I had is, according to me, current market move so far is to remove the hope that there is no more opportunity on the put side. Now market can reverse. Now traders, you only tell me, after this gap down, if Nifty has moved so much, will anybody think about entering a put option? No, right? They will wait for a retest to enter a call option trade. But for us, our setup of entering a put option trade was available here. With this logic itself, I planned my put option trade. I gave the update somewhere around 10:24 already, saying that there can be a reversal in the market. At 10:32, I entered the trade. 10:51, I exited the trade. Now, what was the logic behind my exit? I exited my trade somewhere here when time was somewhere around 9:51. When Nifty started to move towards the downside and it was taking support here, I looked at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty, again it had moved towards the downside, and the resistance level what we drawed today, that resistance level was acting as support. Once the resistance is broken, now it can act as support, right? That is price action logic. With that logic, I planned my exit. So we were able to capture around 60 points in the market. It is very easy to look at this move and say we should have entered call option here. But according to me, there was no setup. This is a setup very familiar about. So that is where I decided to plan my trade to capture the movement. Traders, now that we have discussed about today's trade, let's quickly discuss about important news update. The first update is about Kotak Mahindra Bank. Today, the stock fell by 10%. The reason behind this is RBI on Wednesday directed Kotak Mahindra Bank. They informed that they cannot onboard new customers through online mobile banking, and also they cannot issue fresh credit cards. Okay, this is with immediate effect. This was a negative news for Kotak Mahindra Bank, so this stock fell by 10%. Still, the price of the stock is not that attractive. When fair value comes, maybe we can look into this. The next update is about IndusInd Bank. They have announced their Q4 result. The net profit has increased by 15% year on year, and they have also announced their dividend. So this stock will be in focus in tomorrow's market. If you're holding the stock, then please have a close watch. Now traders, the next update is about Vedanta. They have given their Q4 results. The net profit has declined by 27% year on year. Now I personally know many people have bought this stock because they regularly issue dividend. But the problem here is the CEO of the company, he owns majority of the shares. So whenever the dividends are issued, the dividends will be even issued to the CEO. So regularly if the company is taking out money, then how can they grow the business? So this is one of the problem. One more problem is this company is in credit. That too, they have taken credit in dollars. Now you all know about what happened to Anil Ambani when they took credit in dollars. India currency price keeps going low, dollar value keeps increasing. That time it will be very difficult for you to clear the credit which you have taken. So whenever the CEO gets dividend, they are trying to pay all the interest. I will not touch the stock. This is my opinion. If you hold the stock, you can decide what you want to do about this. So traders, this was some important market update which I wanted to discuss with you. Now let's quickly discuss about trading setup for tomorrow. Now traders, we are looking at Nifty option chain data for the next week expiry, just to understand where option sellers have added their position. 22,500 on the put side has highest number of open interest. That too, new positions has been added recently, so this can be an immediate support level in the market. 22,600 has highest number of open interest. Even though 22,500 has more open interest, you can see more positions has been added at this area. So 22,600 will be our immediate resistance. Now please remember, tomorrow is Friday. Many people might not participate in the market tomorrow, so market can be a bit dull. From recent swing low to swing high, I have drawn the Fibonacci level. Tomorrow, if market immediately, if it opens with a gap up or if it breaks this upper level, I don't think there is any stop loss hunting level towards the upside. Maybe this can turn into false breakout. Later, if market is showing any bearish sentiment here with small stop loss, I will plan for a put option trade. My first target will be 22,477. If market breaks this level quickly, then my next target will be 22,423. This is also our 236 level of Fibonacci. Now, one of the main reason why I expect a correction in the market is because you see after this rally, of course, this can be short covering, but as per price action, if market has to continue the trend, it has to come for a retracement. During this retracement, if you're getting any breakdown setup, a small momentum towards the downside is what we are trying to capture here, because as of now, market is in uptrend. Only when it directly opens somewhere near 236 level, retest again, if it gives a breakdown, we can plan for a put option trade where we can try for bigger target like 22,300 and next target is 22,199. If it directly opens with a gap up, then I expect a small correction in the market or market can stay sideways. So with that view at the upper level, I'm planning for a put. In case market opens flat and it is moving towards the downside, then many people will have fear when market goes below 22,500 level, because it's also a psychological level. But I think it can take support somewhere here. From here, it can form a W pattern setup. After this correction, market can continue the trend. Based on the setup that we get, we can plan for a call option trade like W pattern setup, or at this zone market is forming higher lows and higher highs, and there we are getting a breakout setup. These kind of setup we can look into. Extremely, if market opens at the upper level, we have 22,764 as our next resistance. This is where market created a double top and it fell. But at this upper level, as long as there is no consolidation and breakout, or at this level there is no consolidation and breakout, I will not be planning for any call option trade because I don't know how far the market will move. If market consolidates and gives a breakout at this upper level, we can consider that people have entering put option trade. Their stop loss will be on top. To hunt the stop loss, market can move. Without that logic, I'm not sure if entering a call option trade in Nifty would be correct. At this point of time, this is my view about Nifty. If there is any further update, I will let you know in the free Telegram channel during the pre-market report, and during the live market we will identify important support and resistance level. Based on that, we will build a trading strategy for tomorrow, which I will share in the private Telegram group. Okay, now let's look into Bank Nifty. Now traders, first important thing which I want to highlight to you is Bank Nifty next expiry will be on 30th of April because 1st May is a holiday, right? So Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty will have their expiry on Tuesday. Now you can see Bank Nifty is currently trading very close to a psychological level, which is 48,500. At 48,500, we have fresh open interest. People are considering this level as resistance. At the same time, put option writers are considering this level as support. Now, since tomorrow is Friday, our entry and exit will happen within the same day. We are not going to carry forward the positions overnight. That too, expiry is also coming close because of holiday. Here you will see I've drawn a trend line. Continuously, this has acted as a support, and this trend line is acting as resistance. This is a rising wedge pattern. Market has closed somewhere near 48,500, which is a psychological level. Tomorrow, if market comes out of this zone, after looking at this breakdown, they might enter a put, but I feel near the support, we will get a momentum towards the upside. So at this zone, I'll be looking for a call option trade. In case market opens with gap up, I don't think there is any other stop loss hunting level. The next resistance is 48,800. At the upper level, even if it gives a breakout, I will be looking for a reversal setup. So I'll plan for a put option trade where this will be the first target, this will be the second target, and this area will be the third target. Now the levels are very simple. Today's high will be the first target and today's closing will be the second target, which is 48,500. Third target will be this area, which is 48,304. I feel at the upper zone or at this lower zone, we have an opportunity. Between this zone, if we enter, I don't think we will be able to capture any big movement. Market can stay sideways. So we will wait for the levels. Wherever we get opportunity, we will look into it. Now traders, the main goal of this channel is to educate retail traders. We are trying our best to explain complicated topics as simple as possible, so that even a beginner can understand. If you're making use of the content which we are providing you on a regular basis, then please share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also leave a comment with your experience with this channel. This will help us in reaching out more beginners who are in need of this kind of content. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.